Rays of light through clouds below. Feel its warmth and see its glow. All were given this gift, and so we're equally here to equally grow. Are you greater than the sun that shines on everyone, no matter who you are? We all see the stars, black, brown, yellow, red and white. The sun does not discriminate, no matter who you are. We all see the stars, we all see the stars, we all see the stars. Babies born every day, all colors of the human race, and teach them love and show the way, for one day they will take our place. Are you greater than the sun that shines on everyone, no matter who you are? We all see the stars, black, brown, yellow, red and white. The sun does not discriminate, no matter who you are. We all see the stars. Are you greater than the sun that shines on everyone, no matter who you are? We all see the stars, black, brown, yellow, red and white. The sun does not discriminate, no matter who you are.